This free tutorial will show you how to export a video in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, online video, or video editor completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to export a video clip or a video in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, in this case I've dragged the video onto the video timeline right here. You want to make sure that the video is selected, see, and clicked or selected and highlighted like so. And basically you want to click Ctrl+M on your keyboard. And now this is going to pull up this window which says export settings in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. You have a couple different ways to export your video or video clips. You can click match sequence settings if you would like, or you can uncheck this and you can adjust this according to how you like. So under format, this is the most common option, H.264, but there is a higher codec, H.265. There's MPEG 2, MPEG 4, QuickTime, and you kind of get the point. Under preset, you have high bit rate, you have medium bit rate. Notice how it changed the estimated file size, it's smaller, and then you have low bit rate, and that will make this around the same thing. You can choose to export both the video and the audio. You can even add a comment here if you would like, and then you can click output name and save this wherever you would like. And then you have two options, to queue or to click export.